Hey everyone, I hope you're well. I'll be sketching this lady using a fast sketching technique, and I'm starting at the top and making my way down. Generally I use the Loomis method for proportions of the face. It might not look like it, but I have it in my mind as I'm going. For those who don't know, the Loomis method is a way of dividing the face up into different sections so you know where each part of the face goes. I'm planning on making a video of how I combine my style and technique with the Loomis method, without all the construction lines. So I can see as I draw this chin line that perhaps the hair needs to come across a little bit to the right. Might redraw that. And I really love this free method, especially drawing things like hair. That's really fun. Okay, I've finished most of the line work. Now I'll move on to doing the hair. I'm going to experiment here with not doing shading as such, but trying to use thicker, darker lines for the hair. Now moving on to the details of the face. In this step, I like to focus on areas which make different features pop out. So the top of the eyelid, that's what I'm doing there. The corners of the eyes, the bottom of the nose, and the lips. So yeah, this corner here is important. And finally I work on the pupil. For the shading, I've swapped to an HB General's charcoal pencil. It actually is a difficult pencil to use because it's so hard, but when you use it after using a softer pencil, it sort of smudges the softer pencil. And the reason why I use charcoal pencils is because you get a really dark line and it doesn't reflect in the camera as well when you record. So I really like using charcoal pencils. So I don't like adding too much shading, and I feel like I've ruined a lot of sketches by overshading. So I tend to try to do as little as possible. I think around the nose, around the eyes, and a bit on the cheeks is all this sketch needs. And now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to shade the iris with my HB pencil. I've left a little bit of a highlight in the pupil. And I think those kind of details draw the viewer in. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.